Morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, May 8th. Hope you guys got some great upcoming plans, and happy Mothers to you all the mothers out there for upcoming Sunday. Hey, today's the big day we've been kind of waiting for this week, as today provides the non-farm payrolls, as this is the big numbers we're looking for. Now, last month we had 85,000. This is actually revised from 126,000, actually down to 85,000. And then forecast was for 228,000 for the month of April, came in at 223. Markets are really liking it because it came in were about the forecast, but what I don't think they're taking into consideration, last month's payrolls dropped about 40,000 jobs. So I don't know. I'm not as thrilled as I guess the investors are there when they think that this is a great number because last month's were revised lower. You got the unemployment rate. That one dipped, came in expectations. It was 5.5 reported last month and came down to 5.4 as expectations. Average hourly earnings, disappointing. After March, it was up 0.3%. Forecast is supposed to dip to 0.2 and actually dipped further down to 0.1. So people are earning less on our average hourly earnings, and they're still thinking. Some investors are thinking that we still got a lot of people who would like to work full time that are still working part time, and that's why you're not getting the wage increase that they'd like to see. Wholesale inventories for the month of March. We had back in February 0.2% increase in the wholesale inventories, and now it's down to 0.1. So not a lot of forecasts upwards to see in the wholesale inventories here. Challenger reports yesterday actually weren't too good, showing that potential more layoffs in the future. So, the investors are thinking this is good news that we might have stronger job growth, but I don't know if it's going to be as strong as they think with some of these other data that are out there. If they're really looking at all that, or maybe they're just looking at this month more as emotional. Stock market's up. The Dow's up over 240 so far this morning, so good news for equity markets. On the other hand, we got a nice little spike on the bond market. So a lot of those investors that were on the sidelines for part of this week, which were resulting in lower stock markets and higher interest rates, are coming back into the market, and we're seeing some improvement here. We had a nice improvement yesterday. We had some auctions going on, and so they had a successful day yesterday. So we actually had a pricing for the improvement yesterday, and today it even went further than that. So nice little rebound here so far today. So let's hopefully see this continue, gets back into the range we are looking at, especially in that 102 level. It might be possible. So next week we do got some important news. Nothing really on Monday, but Tuesday through Friday we definitely got a bunch of news right there. Hey, touch base on what we've been talking about all week. Some of the new programs we have released, and one of my favorites is this Real Estate Advantage program that APM just rolled out. This is a true real estate investor's dream mortgage. It's not a hard money lender. We are a direct lender, and basically we don't care how many finance properties you have. The investor will have an exposure rate of 10 finance properties per investor, but you could have 50 finance properties. They'll still lend to you guys, and they're basing the approval based on the cash flow of the property. So that's kind of treated as your debt to income ratios in these type of scenarios. So they're looking at the cash flow, how much cash flow you have, to help determine your approval on these programs. So they'll go up to a cash out refinance are allowed. So if you want to take money out one property and buy another property, that will be allowed as well. You can go up to $1 million max loan amount on these. So in theory, as a real estate investor, you could go up to 10 loans with up to $10 million combined loans. So not bad little program, I think. Also, foreign investors are allowed on this. I haven't seen any other program allowing foreign investors buying investment properties here in the U.S. They are allowed to use this program as well. Without the only additional restrictions are, of course, that they're not from some type of sanctioned country. They have the visas. They apply for ITIN number, so that way they can file their taxes on here. They do have to have U.S. bank accounts. So what they'll do is they'll set up at least source the money for 2 months in a U.S. institution, and they can withdraw the funds. They'll set up payments through the bank program, so they just do automatic withdrawals every month. All right, folks, if you guys got any questions about this program, want to learn more, please feel free to contact me through my profile. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and again, enjoy your weekend, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and we'll see you guys next week. Take care.